With more than 30 years development, Tiancheng has been the top brand in China in relative industries.
This is our showroom presenting most of our products and certificates. These are our low voltage cables. Here are the structured cabling products. The best-selling product is our network cable. The major modules CAT5E, CAT6, CAT8 performance has exceeded international standards. For now, Tiancheng has already obtained more than 133 patents in ICT system. Tiancheng's R&D center has over 40 experts dictating in cutting-edge technology, which brings new products every year to match the growing market demand. Tiancheng is also the only Chinese brand in the Cabling International Standard Working Group with 2 experts. This is our Magic Series modular patch panel launched in 2019, aligned with different kinds of components. It can accept up to 192 ports within 1 U rack height, which is the highest density you can see in the market. TC is the only manufacturer which can meet the requirement. Now presenting of you is our showroom of data center. This is our own lab, a national certificated laboratory.
We can arrange fire-resistant test, transmission performance test, EMC test, and durability test, etc.
Now we are in the workshop in Shanghai. We mainly produce Keystone jack, fiber patch cords, and copper.
Also, we produce pigtails, faceplates, etc. For cable and other products, they produce in our production base of other cities. This is the only a glance of our production line. We have strict quality check procedures to ensure only qualified products can be shipped out to the customers.
Ether.com, make global trade easier.